Replacing the recoater's cord in Lisa Pro printer. Tools required during the maintenance: protective gloves, 2mm hex screwdriver, new recoater's cord. Okay, let's begin. Plug in the power cable to the socket. Press the power switch. Turn the printer on using the ignition key. If the emergency button is pushed, turn it to the right. On the touchscreen, press Advanced Mode. Press Unlock Lid, Overflow. Open the lid. Turn off Lisa using ignition key. This is the recoater's cord. It is worn and needs to be replaced. Unscrew both screws on the recoater's cover. Take off the recoater's cover. Now you can freely move the recoater to the overflow side. Unscrew both screws on the cord's mounting plate. Unscrew both screws on the other side of the cord. Take the cord spring out. Take the cord off the pulleys. It is a good time to clean the recoater's roll. Use a clean cloth to wipe the roll. Rotate the roll during the cleaning. Take the new cord. Put the new cord on the pulleys. The cord should go under the black pulleys and over the roll bar. First, mount the end of the cord with the spring on it. Mount the cord starting from the side of the feed bed, closer to the lid's hinges. Be sure that the spring is fitted into the hole behind the plate. Screw the screws. Tighten the screws. Pull the cord to tense the spring. Mount the cord using 2 screws on the opposite side. Move the recoater and check if the roll is rolling properly. Assemble the recoater's cover. Screw both screws on the recoater's cover. Turn the ignition key. On the touchscreen, press Advanced Mode. Choose the Mechanics tab. Press Start Leveling. Check if recoater's moving without any disturbance. Properly installed cord is moving slightly right and left on the pulleys. Stop leveling. The new cord is installed correctly, and Lisa Pro is ready for printing.